My video guide is about removing the ransomware code 2023 or simply 2023. Of course, my video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware and will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover the files. But I cannot definitely say that I will help you to recover the files. I'll give you some recommendations on how to make it possible. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your files without any troubles, as you can clearly see. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents and other data, but sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular ransomware 2023 may be easily injected into the device. So it then appends this 2023 extension to the file names, and finally it also reveals a special ransom note indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, so don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install it, and then click on Start Scan button. The software is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available, and it will update its anti-malware database. Do not skip this very important step, because this is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So then, after the anti-malware database has been successfully updated, ComboCleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating the system. Pay attention to the feature of ComboCleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data, but it does not decrypt files. And there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt files. So take your time, wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished by ComboCleaner, and then at the end of the scan you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of ComboCleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.